Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a new Invision project. Give it a clear name. Set artboard size to 1280 x 720 for web or 375 x 812 for mobile, and invite up to 5 collaborators by email. Upload screens as PNG or JPG and keep each file under 5 MB to speed sync. Check automatic image compression in settings. Enable version history before major changes so you can restore earlier uploads. Organize screens into folders named by flow, home, onboarding, checkout, and tag each screen with a build interactive prototypes by creating hotspots over interface elements and linking them to destination screens. Choose transitions such as slide left, slide right, dissolve, or instant to convey motion. Assign touch gestures like tap, swipe left, or long press and preview interactions at 30 FPS to evaluate timing. Use overlays for modals and menus, sizing them with pixel precision. For example, 320 x 480, and configure close actions via a close button or the escape key. Test micro interactions and iterate until flows feel smooth and predictable. When you are ready to collaborate, generate a shareable link and choose view or comment permission. Optionally set a password and expiration date to secure access. Invite stakeholders to comment directly on screens. Comments are time-stamped, can include screenshots, and you can assign action items to team members by name. For developer handoff, open Inspect to reveal measurements, CSS snippets, color values, and export assets as PNG or SVG at 1x or 2x scale. Close the loop by resolving comments and updating version history after each approved change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.